First, he never used to talk much, so I used to think he was gonna, bite you or something like that. But actually, he turned out to be a complete sweetheart, and he taught me chess, so I have to thank him for that, which is a wonderful game. No, but seriously, we had an amazing time on the film, and I think Seth had said it yesterday, but I think he's one of the finest actors that are around right now, and I've learned a lot from working with him as well. And he's a great guy.
Thank you.
All hot and sizzling star cast are coming together in race. So tell us about your experience. Share something.
I think we all just as a cast. I mean, I've worked with Seth before. I've worked with Anil before. It's only Katrina and Bipasha with whom I hadn't worked. So, but
everyone was in their four corners, and they would have to go to each corner and call each one for the shot because no one wanted to stand together. That's actually what happened.
Okay, talking about the music of the film.
That's a joke, by the way, before everyone thinks it's serious.
Music के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
म्यूजिक तो जैसा आप सुन रहे हैं बहुत ही अच्छा है. आवाज तो होटल पीपल एसी कम कर रहे हैं. ये मैंने कभी मुंबई शहर में ऐसा जैकेट नहीं पहना. इस साल पहली बार पहन रहा हूँ और ये सीरियस इशू है. ये कोई मजाक नहीं है.
The story is about two brothers, one who plays to defeat, another plays to win. Whom do you play?
That you'll have to see the film. जिंदगी का रेस है. मतलब दो भाइयों के बीच कि कौन ज़्यादा आगे जा सकता है. इस किस्म का मीनिंग है रेस का.
Akshay, पिछले 3 दिनों से you are promoting the movie continuously. कोई खास वजह?
यही हमारा काम है ना कि जितने लोगों तक हम ये बात पहुंचा सकते हैं कि ये फिल्म आ रही है, इस किस्म की पिक्चर है, इस किस्म का संगीत है, उतना करना हमारा फर्ज है.
Is the film an answer to Hollywood speed?
No, it's got nothing to do that. I just told you. I said it's a race between two brothers competing with each other to one up. It's kind of one-upmanship.
Well, there were a few car sequences towards the climax which were quite scary, and they were my first experience doing action and doing things in a car and speed, and it was quite scary. But Akshay was there with me, so we were fine. But I remember it being, you have to have nerves of steel to be in a car going that fast. And we had some amazing drivers who had come from Australia, I think, and they were professional race car drivers, and that's definitely something to look forward to in the end.
I think I just really enjoyed the whole process of the movie, working again with Abbas bhai, and
I think the best experience was the restaurants in South Africa.
Yeah, we used to eat out a lot.
Amazing food.
Yeah.
That was the best experience, I think.
ये मेरी चौथी पिक्चर है उनके साथ, और हमारी जो ट्यूनिंग है एक्टर डायरेक्टर बहुत ही अच्छा है. इस बार क्या नया था. हर बार नया ही होता है. कहानी नई होती है, को स्टार्स अलग होते हैं, प्रोड्यूसर अलग होते हैं, तो वो बदलता है. लेकिन हमारी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है और जो रिश्ता है और जो पर्सनली और प्रोफेशनली भी, वो तो कायम है.